Hey, this is Dwayne Mooney. Look at this trade that we did last night. It's the Euro US. It took the trade in profit. We're up 43, 24, probably about 20 pips. It should drop more. It hit that resistance right here that we were talking about. That's actually the British pound. That hit. See how that hit? I should have put it at 132.17. It hit it, but it didn't take the trade. That's this one. And that's because of the spread. The spread could have been at 3. Even though it was at 32.17, it probably wasn't going to take the trade to if it hit 3.32.19. And it didn't take the trade. So we missed it. But it did hit where we thought. Look right here. It hit. And the Euro US, let's look at that, actually hit 115.43. Look at this. 115.43. It actually hit our target. 115.43. Went to 115.44. So it hit our target, got us in the trade. As you can see, it's went down. It's just retracting a little bit. It'll start coming back down again. But that's what I'm talking about. Okay? It's a good trade. Okay, so I just want to share that with you. And load this. I'm done.